Hi everyone, I am Engineer Liao from GFD. Today I will show you how to replace the heating element of convection oven. First, prepare the electric tools and number 10 spanners. Push the small mechanism on both sides of the door upwards. Then, remove this G and plate holder. Unscrew the screws. Remove the inner support plate. Then you can take it out. This is the fan and this is the heat pipe. Then use a small spanner to remove the fan screws. The fan and motor are together. Go ahead and remove these screws. Then remove these two screws at the back. Just pull it out. Then it can be removed. This is the entire video of our convection oven repair process. Thanks for watching this video. If you like our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.